Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the brightness not working issue on your Lenovo laptop. If you can't increase or decrease your screen brightness, follow these steps one by one. Step 1. First, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Display. Next, click Display Adapter Properties. In the new window, click the Properties button, then open the Driver tab. If the Rollback Driver option is available, click it to restore the previous driver version. This often fixes the brightness issue. If the Rollback option is unavailable, click Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, go back and choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the latest Intel graphics driver or your installed graphics driver. Do not select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. Click Next and let Windows install the driver. Step 2. Now, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Monitor section. Right-click your monitor driver and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and complete the update. Step 3. Finally, open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. After updating your graphics driver, monitor driver, and Windows, restart your Lenovo laptop. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.